Good morning, students. On behalf of Welcome School, I welcome you all in Class 8 Social Science. Today, we are going to start with History, chapter number 1, How, When, Where. And our topic is How Important Are Dates. Before I start my topic, you should have one pen and paper. So, while my lecture, you can note it down any important points. I know that students find history is boring because it is all about memorizing dates. But history is not a boring subject and memorizing date is not history. So, our first question is, please write it down. What is history? I repeat, please write it down. What is history? And answer is, history is about changes that occur over time. I repeat, history is about changes that occur over time. It means changes never occurs at one point of time. It always happen in different point of time. Now it's clear, students? Okay. When we compare the past with present, raises two questions, before and after. Normally, it refers with BC and AD. Now our second question, please write it down. What is BC? BC means before the birth of the Christ. I repeat, before the birth of the Christ. And what is AD? AD means Anno Domini. It means after the birth of the Christ. Time which refers after the birth of the Christ. Now it's clear what is BC and what is AD? Okay. Now, why dates are important? For example, your birth date is very important for you and your family and person who are attached with you, and it is also important for many documents. So, in history, some important events took place in particular dates, which was very important, like when were the king crowned, where did he die. But I tell you one thing, this is not history. Now historians also write about how did people earn their livelihood, what they produce and what did they eat, what did the cities develop and market came up. These all are included in today's history. So in this chapter, we are not only studied about kings, but we also studied about how important documents are collected and preserved and what kind of people live on that particular time. Thank you. We will meet again soon.